Hello, my name is Kevin. I'm a lawyer with 15 years of experience, and now I will tell you what to do if Equifax is showing you as deceased. Let's imagine your credit history is not just a document. It's a reflection of your life, your trust in the system. But suddenly, like a bolt from the blue, Equifax declares you dead. This error, known as Equifax showing deceased or Equifax says I'm dead, is not just a misunderstanding. It's a real infringement of your rights. What occurs when you're erroneously marked as deceased? Over many years, the big three credit reporting agencies, Experian, Equifax, TransUnion, have occasionally confused individuals' records. Should your credit report erroneously show a deceased status, it's likely a case of mistaken identity by these agencies. This could explain the incorrect notation in your credit reports or file. Other reasons for the error in Equifax. How can this Kafkaesque anomaly arise? We see a system, imperfect by nature, breeding errors. Equifax deceased glitch. These is results of flaws in the data processing system. The error can arise from failures in technological infrastructure, erroneous merging of credit records, incorrect information transfer from banks and financial institutions, impact on personal and financial life. This error is like a lightning strike on your financial reputation. From freezing of assets to complete denial of financial services, these are the real consequences of this error. Statistics, voices of failure. Approximately 2% of all credit reports contain serious errors. 85% of these errors can turn a person's life upside down. 5 real scenarios when Equifax incorrectly marked people as deceased. Name confusion. Tom was shocked when he discovered that Equifax had marked him as deceased. Equifax says I'm deceased, Tom says, learning about the error after trying to apply for a loan. The situation occurred due to a confusion of names, as Tom had a namesake who, unfortunately, had passed away. This caused an erroneous entry in his credit report. Erroneous data entry. Maria experienced an unpleasant surprise when she was denied a loan. Equifax says I'm deceased, she shared, finding that the root of her problem lay in an erroneous data entry by the credit reporting service. The error was caused by an incorrect entry of a social security number, which accidentally matched the number of a deceased person. Technical error. Jack discovered that he could not get approval for a mortgage due to his status in Equifax. Equifax deceased credit report, Jack explains, facing rejection after rejection. After several contacts with support service, it turned out that a technical error during database updates was the cause, which incorrectly updated his status. Data exchange system failure. Elizabeth faced difficulties when trying to open a new bank account. Equifax thinks I'm dead, she says, sharing her experience. The problem arose due to a failure in the data exchange system between banks and credit bureaus, which mistakenly transmitted information about her death to her credit report. Mixing of personal data. Kevin became the victim of an unusual error when his credit history was crossed with another person's data. Why does Equifax say I'm dead? Was the first thought that came to Kevin after his attempt to apply for a car loan ended in failure. The cause was the mixing of personal data with that of a recently deceased individual, leading to a critical error in his credit report. Path to rectification. As a defender of your rights, I would advise the following. Credit report check. This is your first step towards the truth. Reaching out to Equifax. Direct your energy towards resolving this error. Formal dispute. Become the author of your financial destiny. Unyielding monitoring. Keep track of every step of the process. Getting legal help. If you need a fighter in this battle, seek help. Weapons of defense. Regular checking of credit reports. Being informed about your data in credit bureaus. Timely response to inaccuracies. How we will enter the fight for you. In our law firm, we do more than just correct errors. We fight for your rights. We offer a deep understanding of your situation through a free consultation. Professional handling of your case to restore justice. Unyielding fight for your credit purity. If the error, Equifax deceased alert, has affected you and you feel helpless in this fight, turn to us. We are ready to stand by your side and return your financial freedom and rights. Our contact information is in the description. If you like the video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Take care and succeed.